Hey there, are you tired of missing out on amazing discounts and offers? Well, have you heard about the digital MSS Finance Management course? It's here to help you make the most of those deals and save some serious cash. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is the digital MSS Finance Management course? Let me break it down for you. It's an online course designed to teach you everything you need to know about managing your finances in the digital age. Think of it as your secret weapon to save money and take advantage of discounts and offers. We live in a fast-paced world, and this course will equip you with the skills and knowledge to navigate it like a pro. With the digital MSS Finance Management course, you'll learn how to effectively budget, track your expenses, and find the best deals online. Say goodbye to overspending and hello to smart shopping. But that's not all, folks. This course also covers topics like online banking, digital payment methods, and how to protect yourself from fraud. Because let's face it, we all want to keep our hard-earned money safe. And the best part, you can take this course at your own pace, from the comfort of your own home. No more boring lectures or crowded classrooms. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and be on your way to becoming a money-savvy guru. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make the most of discounts and offers. Remember, the digital MSS Finance Management course is your ticket to financial freedom. Get ready to take control of your finances like never before. Sign up now and join the thousands of satisfied students who are already on their way to achieving financial success. See you in the course. Digital MSS Finance Management course, where saving money is made easy.